The fight over abortion rights in Arizona landed in a southern Arizona courtroom today. Planned Parenthood is taking on the state's attorney general as the abortion law in Arizona remains up in the air. News for Tucson's Eric Fink has been on this story from the beginning and has the latest.
That lack of clarity impacting Arizonans at every level of the abortion debate. The doctors and their patients, those wanting stricter abortion laws, and those wanting to revive a state law that dates back to 1901. Now the case that could help determine the landscape of the future of abortion in Arizona begins. The case will decide whether an abortion ban first implemented in the 1860s and codified into the state constitution in 1901 can once again become the law in Arizona in 2022. The abortion ban would send doctors and abortion providers to jail. The more than century-old ban gives only one exception: to save the life of the mother. On Friday, we learned the first hearing will be in Pima County on August 19th. U of A law professor Chris Griffin points to the many changes in abortion law over the decades.
It is odd that the focus is on a law that is so old when so much activity has occurred in the abortion care landscape since then.
That includes a 15-week abortion ban passed only months ago and signed by the governor. The law is set to go into effect in late September, but it does not repeal the 1901 abortion ban. Arizona Attorney General Mark Brnovich argues that law should go back into effect. Planned Parenthood says a law from 121 years ago can't win out because over the years, state lawmakers legalized abortion in Arizona, and women must continue to have access to the procedure. Griffin says the judge is likely to look closely at recent laws that restrict but don't ban abortion.
The most recent decision from the Arizona legislature does allow for abortion care to be provided by physicians. And it would be strange if the people speaking through the legislature in the 21st century don't have at least as much of a say, if not a greater one, than the legislature of the 20th century and before.
Coming up at 5, hear from the president of Planned Parenthood Arizona and the Attorney General's office. At Superior Court, I'm Eric Fink, News 4, Tucson.